Hi everyone, this is a technical analysis on USDJPY. Let's start with a fundamental overview first. The USD has strengthened since Friday as Treasury yields bounced following some positive Trump's comments on China. Overall, the US dollar performance has been mixed as markets have been driven by quick changes in risk sentiment given the lack of US data. On the domestic side, the US government shutdown continues to delay many key US economic reports. But this Friday, though, we will get the US CPI data since it's crucial for Social Security benefits adjustment required by November. The dollar repricing trade needs strong US data to keep going, especially on the labor market side, so any hiccup on that front should keep weighing on the greenback. Since Trump's threat of massive tariffs on China, the market pricing turned more dovish, with 126 bps of easing seen by the end of 2026. As a reminder, the Fed projected just 75 bps by the end of 2026. On the JPY side, the currency strengthened recently on the risk of sentiment that got triggered by Trump's tariff threat, but eventually gave back most of the gains as things de-escalated. Domestically, Takaichi became prime minister, and we saw more weakness in the yen as traders continued to expect the BOJ to delay rate hikes. In fact, the probabilities for a rate hike by year-end slipped to just 40%. Now the daily chart. We can see the USD/JPY managed to rally back above this major support zone around the 151 handle. If we get a pullback, we can expect the buyers to step in again around this support, with a defined risk below it, to position for a rally into the 153 handle. The sellers, on the other hand, will want to see the price breaking lower to pile in for a drop into the 148.50 support next. On the 4-hour chart, we can see that we have an upward trend line here, adding confluence to this support zone. That's where we can expect the buyers to step in with a defined risk below those key levels to keep pushing into new highs. The sellers, on the other hand, will look for a break lower to start targeting the 148.50% level next. On the 1-hour chart, there's not much else we can add here, as buyers will look for a bounce around the support, while the sellers will look for a downside breakout. These red lines define the average daily range for today. For the upcoming catalysts, on Friday we will get the US CPI report and the US flash PMIs.